Chlorine isn't really friendly to hair, but it's summertime and people are going to be doing tons of swimming, so what can you do to keep your hair healthy? Let's talk about it. Welcome back to Crystal Beauty TV. I'm not wearing makeup because I don't have to. Hate is gonna hate. It is now officially summer break at our house, which means we're going to be going to the pool quite a bit. The best piece of advice that I can give you is to wet your hair before getting in the pool. You see it at every pool, it says please rinse off or shower before getting in the pool, and that's probably posted for a hygienic reason, but really it helps you take care of yourself too. Your hair's kind of like a filter or like a sponge, think of it that way. If you have really dry hair and then you go in the chlorinated water, it's just soaking all that up. But instead you could pre-wet your hair and have it soak up all of the normal water, I guess. And so not so much of that harsh chlorine is just getting straight up into your hair cuticle. Another thing you can do is put a leave-in conditioner. I've heard conditioner or leave-in conditioner. Just put some conditioner in your hair. It's not gonna like start bubbling up in the pool or anything. Conditioner doesn't do that, or it shouldn't. You don't have to put tons and tons in your hair. Just get your hair totally, thoroughly wet and then put like a light layer of conditioner over it to create more of a barrier. Of course, if you're going to be in the pool tons and tons and tons and tons, you should probably invest in a shower cap. Now for post-swimming care, what you want is a good clarifying shampoo. It's not really good for colored hair, so that's when I'd suggest like getting your hair wet, putting the conditioner on it, maybe getting a swim cap if you're gonna be in the chlorinated water tons. But for like kids and other people who don't color their hair, clarifying shampoo is where it is at. It gets in there and really just strips out all those harmful chemicals. So you'll want to use a clarifying shampoo and then just a really nice hydrating conditioner. You want to shower and like wash your hair and body, get that chlorinated water and the other chemicals, whatever's in there, off of you as soon as possible. I mean, it's not like you have to say, okay friends, I have to go, I just got out of the swimming pool and I gotta go wash my hair, okay bye. Like, finish the party, go home and wash it. I'm just saying, don't sleep on it overnight and let all that chlorine just stay there, drying out your hair. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you found this video useful so you can get more tips like this and product reviews, just general beauty videos. Give this video a like and let me know what you'd like to know. I'll see you next time.